Wait. If I don't explain this, this series is going to seem a little bit confusing for those who watch every single video. Now, after I saw Raj and went to Bluebell, I ended the video saying,
I think where I'm going to end up sleeping tonight may interest you guys, but
that was Raj's house. So we headed off there in the night and we camped out on his rooftop. And that's where I stayed for the next coming nights. The next morning, I helped him film something, then rushed off to go film the video I did at Piggy's Jerk. Then I just relaxed a few days, scouted places, and then he suggested me checking out Routes 21, where I'm at now. Thanks Raj for the link. Alright, you're caught up. So guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So much has been happening, like I'm really losing track of the days. So I've been up by, you guys might know, Spearfishing Jamaica or SFJ Lifestyle. That's my boy Raj. I've been by his place for probably the past 2 to 3 days, and we've just been going with the flow. Now I am still in Port Antonio, and it is a Sunday. Now I'm doing this whole street food tour around Jamaica. You know, it might make some of you guys feel like we don't have like nice restaurants here and stuff like that, especially out in Port Antonio. You guys know in Jamaica we call this side, you know, country or bush or whatever, but we're actually at a place called Routes 21, where they are, definitely a lot more sophisticated if you're looking for something like that. And if it's a Sunday and you're here and you can't find any form of street food, then this is one of the places that you can go to. So I got the hookup, and we are going to be going into the kitchen today to make something which I would say is quite rootsy. I'm opting for something basic, but it is an escovitch fried fish, because you don't know, that is a huge part of our roots. A lot of our ancestors, a lot of our family members definitely have been eating this because it is just so amazing and so good, and we're gonna try that and see how good it is here today. You don't know, Port Antonio, Portland is basically by the sea, so seafood is what we're up for.
boss, I own a knife as a reach, you know.
Yeah, you know.
Really. Alright,
So
so
the sharp knife can't cook, you know.
straight fact. Yo, so the name interests me still. Routes 21, why that name then?
Well, the 21 come from all our herbs and spices we put together to make the food right, you know. It's a build your own thing.
That's
from
interesting.
scratch, you know?
That's interesting. Sure. So, seeing you on camera, we can't hide for no say is that from Indian descent as well, yeah?
So we have an Indian and a Rasta side, so we have a lot of Indian spice and a lot of Rasta spices, like the coconut and the thing them same, you know?
Yeah. Vibes. Alright, so which one of the dish them you would say like you signature yourself?
Well, me's a seafood lover, so we just deal with the seafood any day, all day.
Straight.
Yeah.
Love that.
So we don't think with the fish, because we sustain our own fish. Like a boat, so we go see, we bring in our own things. So with fish and lobster and things like those are seasonal. Straight, 100%.
I love that. I think Raj actually showed me the boat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So come out and get the thing them fresh and stuff. Boy, since you say something about the Indian part, I kind of want to try like a curry fish or something, but
So what we can do, we can get the coconut esco, fry it and cook it down in a curry coconut sauce.
never hear about that one, so me try it.
Alright, that we can get it with some fry plant.
Yo,
Or some roti, you can get fry plant in and roti.
that's gonna be a vibe. Alright, bro.
Besides the breakfast, get a big one. Are you on Raj up there, don't you?
Yeah man, Raj that one.
Do two of them.
So what inspired the escovitch with the coconut?
As I said, back to the Indian and the Rasta again, you know.
So you just put the two of them together.
There are a lot of people that are afraid to put curry in a coconut, you know.
Yeah, because of the acidity.
No, it's like, yeah, pretty much that, but it make it much better.
No matter about the escovitch part, like the onions them, and still do.
No, we'll cook it down. We'll cook it down in a rundown style kind of vibe.
I said, yeah. So who would I say first inspired to cook?
I guess I know my brother then.
Yeah.
I sure I'm the only man on the team can cook. Anywhere we go, I have to put on a pot.
Straight.
Anywhere we go, we have to run a pot, and so, you know. Brother them would have been the biggest inspiration. Right?
So,
I learned everything from my mother with cooking.
So you're growing up in Portland, right?
Yeah, man.
So growing up in Portland, you used to do a whole heap of like runny boat, a
Yeah,
bush
man.
and them thing there,
we used to live
seaside.
there.
So you see the youth them a do all these outdoor cooking things like you say, yeah, man, from a long time.
Yeah, them see we are do it. You know?
Yeah, straight.
Them see we are do it.
Straight. Alright, so pretty Zine, as a business owner, Zine, especially like in the food industry, you feel that it's important to know how to cook yourself as well, and not just be the man that funding the business.
You see, a lot of restaurants owners are business people. Not a lot of them are chefs. I love to cook. You know, so that kind of a little bit of a different balance with it, you know.
Straight.
Yeah, so this basically me now work, I do my love.
Straight.
All day, every day. The original coconut oil, you know?
Spices are great. It's like a curry blend.
Yeah. So it's basically sauce that we're bringing up.
So, how you do the rest? Some crab?
Seafood boil.
Seafood boil? Wow. Sir Peter, I can tell that was expertly done. Like the man didn't even know watch the pot and look how the fish them golden.
Yeah, man.
Oh my.
Next side. Ready to grind, huh?
Oh my. Yo, the man deal with the fish so easily. Not a problem.
Can't overcook fish, you know?
Yes, facts.
Yeah,
Facts.
you can't overcook fish. We are cook it out, you know? This is now I get my body right, you know? Start recipe now.
I have to talk to the chef a little bit, you know. How much years you do this? Because fire kicked up a while ago like a hell and the man be even shake.
I've been a lady from 2017.
2017.
2017 and I leave school.
Nice.
Yeah.
And how long at this particular restaurant?
I'm here 4 years.
4 years?
Yeah.
Vibes. Expertly done. It's even broke apart or nothing, just wow.
So this is it. Coconut esco.
But
You get the coconut, you get the curry, you get the rest and the Indian in one.
you know one. Jano. What the chef I deal with now?
I'm there, I do have one easy. Do it cooking as usual.
Facts.
Room in head, never room and boom in head.
And these are some rotis.
Roti.
Nice.
Never eat roti.
Yeah, man.
What kind of roti?
Just the regular one. Not the bus up. We eat bus up shot already. And the regular one. But yeah, the question is, you ask me, what kind of roti? There's differences in them?
We have different type of roti.
So we all get some roti with the fish, yeah?
Yeah. Fried plantain.
Okay.
Roti and fried plantain.
Roti, fried plantain, and the curry fish.
Call it the flagging.
Oh, so that what you do is the flagging.
Yeah. Can stretch it like, you know?
Oh, so you get it nice and flat.
Yeah.
My. And you not done yet? So the curry crab, king crab. Have a seat.
Yeah, fish, I know. Oh, there's a fish.
Yeah.
Alright. That's alright.
Yeah, I think so. Unfortunately, today there's no chef stick.
No chef stick. Fine dining.
Fine dining, yo. As a person who normally go out there and catch aquatic creatures, what do you feel about this? How it look presentation wise?
Look mad.
Smell.
Smell good.
Smell
Ours
good.
are my favorite curry.
Yeah?
So
Vibes.
me are going to eat.
Alright, down in there. Bring you guys in a little bit more because this, you guys are not going to be getting any, but you know where to find this. Like this
God, you know what this smells like? This smells like, you know, I'll tell you guys later.
Yeah, taste the juice, bro. Smooth,
It's really good. God is good, God is great. Let's thank Him for our food by His hands. We all have to give us that daily bread. Amen. Sorry for rushing through, but you don't know the things that are there. Alright, so we're gonna dig in. Just a quick recap. This is a coconut curry with escovitch. It's a fusion of two cuisines together. Look at this fish.
Get that taste of your planting first now, bro.
It literally tastes like if a Indian woman and a Rasta man had a baby. Like,
Sure.
dip into that gravy. Expert level. Expert level. I'm kind of shy when I eat food. Is it because he eat faster than this? Right now he's in slow motion.
Is it true? I just want to go through and you just want to critique everything, and that's the difference, you know? Just want to mash and go through things.
Facts. Guys, this roti, I don't know if you can hear it, listen. That's like the outer parts. Brother, if you want a good roti, the dough has to be good, and this dough you can tell is just amazing. Into that gravy.
Yeah, make 50 or something. 50 is this?
Blow out. This roti has got to be the nicest roti I've ever had before. There's one done by Sablamar that I always talk about, love it, but that one, this one really quick with food. Wickedly. Come, let me not say, cause you can't miss up on this.
Coconut curry?
Yes.
The irony.
Awesome.
Don't feed me.
Mm.
Let me taste it. Let me taste what Soai is raving about.
Why not eat?
Try the roti, bro.
Oh, the roti?
Oh my god.
It's soft, you?
Right?
It's the softest roti I've ever seen.
Soft.
What is it? Oh, wow.
It's good, right? Guys, I could literally eat those roti and gravy right now and would have a good. Oh my gosh.
The fish with the gravy and the roti.
Yeah. Slap a piece on that plant.
I'm gonna take your food, sorry.
So you go.
Alright. Alright.
So good.
Try the roti, you know.
This is good.
This is really good. This is not no knockoff Indian food I eat, brother. But the funny part is it doesn't taste like Indian, like them say. It's that fusion of that Rasta style cooking, so it does very much taste Jamaican. And, you know, we are in the West Indies, so we do have Indian lineage. You know, the people are here are also mixed with that a bit too. So you don't know. Great execution. This is amazing. I think you may understand why I said the irony. About the I get it. I get it now. Light bulb moment. Now in a previous video, I did mention that people don't normally know that I'm coming there. But this morning, right? This morning? They say go link him up and see if I could afford that film.
So it was just a quick thing.
It was a quick thing, so it wasn't like, yo, them plan out this menu and no. When I came here, I'm just say, yo, choose anything you want to choose. This is what I chose.
prepared it right there and then. You saw the other dishes being done in the kitchen, which everything looked delicious, smelled delicious. Like I was fighting the urge not to, you know, cough or exasperate because like the spices in there were just like immense. It was just bubbling. Like, no joke, this is really good. Brother, going well?
Yeah, I have one more drink here for me to make. Same flavor everything.
Amazing.
So, bro, the last time I bring one big old crayfish come here, dog, and then we same way.
Like this?
Yeah,
But-
make it, bro. The native ones, you know, so they have a natural sweet taste already.
These are my closing remarks. So far, best roti I've had in Jamaica. This is the best one. Simple, well done, soft, and shook. What more we can say? Done right to order. Then with the fish, it's just like, again, I heard the flavor profiles that want to be put together, but I am really surprised. Like, try it for yourself. Amazing colors on the plate, perfect. Fish fried right, cooked properly. Seasonings on point, not too peppery, not lacking a pepper. I just wish I had more sauce, because that sauce just sop it up with that roti. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Like legit, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Definitely on the coast, because I did backtrack a little bit. Backtrack probably like a couple kilometers just to make sure that I try this place, and superbly happy. Yo, we are gonna enjoy our food because this is a massive theme thing on theme on speed.
Definitely.
I'll be catching the next video. Remember these three things: love, nature, and adaptation. Yo, Chef Peter, respect. Always remember, keep the link.